In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your existing forms on the Fresha dashboard. Whether you're updating details or refining the layout, I'll guide you through the entire process to make sure it's a breeze. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Find the gear icon. This little symbol represents your settings, where you'll find all the tools you need to customize and manage your account. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll see a list of features. Among these, there'll be an option labeled Forms. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you keep all the forms associated with your account. A vital feature if you're running a service-based business and need to keep track of client information efficiently. When you're in the Forms section, browse through any existing forms you may already have. Next to each form, you'll find an Action button, which allows you to manage that particular form. Click on this button when you're ready to edit one of your forms. Once you click Edit, you'll be taken to the main editing area. Here, you'll notice the form along with all the information you've previously added. This is where you'll have the chance to make any necessary updates or changes. Perhaps you need to add new questions, change the order of existing ones, or simply correct any typos. Depending on how your form was originally set up, you might find that it spans across 2 pages, or it could even stretch over multiple steps. It's all about fitting the form to your needs and ensuring that it collects the right information from your clients. As you work through your form, if you find yourself at the end of the first page, remember to click on Next Step, located in the top right corner. This will seamlessly transition you to the next phase of your form editing, allowing you to continue making adjustments without interruption. Once you're satisfied with all the edits and you've looked through everything to ensure it meets your standards, it's time to save your work. You'll find the Save button also in the top right corner. Pressing Save will ensure that all your changes are securely updated and in place for whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully edited a form on Fresha's dashboard. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your forms remain up-to-date, efficient, and perfectly tailored to the needs of your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a little refresh, and see you in the next video.